everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here, and I am doing another Valentine pour as I got one of those $5 off vouchers for Michael's, and so I bought two different little Valentine hearts. And this one is on just a little piece of MDF board, which I did prime it with some of this spray primer, this stuff I've been using on my Lazy Susans. And it's so small, probably isn't going to be fine anyway. But yeah, I did a little spray painting this morning to get it started. So I'm going to use the same colors that I used on my thicker piece, which I may or may not have released by now, or maybe I'll release these two videos together. I don't know. What I got? I've got my Glidden 6011N Eggshell. The sheen matters. So I'm going to lay this down as my pillow. And we're going to spin this bad boy out when we get done. Let's give it little Mickey ears. Yeah. How big is this thing? I don't even know. I'm having fun here. See how big this thing is. So 9 inches-ish, 8 inches-ish. I'm gonna have to blow pretty hard. I'm gonna have my hair dryer in the wings just in case. Just in case I get caught. All right, so I got my pillow. I'm gonna lay down our colors. This is Atelier's Dioxazine Purple with DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Amethyst. Now purple's pretty strong, so won't get crazy. DecoArt's Rose Quartz. Now this is mixed with my pouring medium. It's video 140. In that video, I mixed with Glidden and gloss varnish, but what I currently use in this is my Valspar A33124 and semi-gloss varnish. Same ratio, so about a little over 3 to 1 paint to varnish. And I mix that with my paints, depending on the paint, till I get to about this kind of consistency. Starting out with about 2.5 or 3 parts of pouring medium to paint, 1 part paint. I want to make sure this is showing up. Next color, TLP Sangria. I'm looking for about a 2 to 3 second trace coming off the stick back into the cup. Next color is Artez's Pearl Hot Pink. Yeah, so the other one I did that was a heart swipe is a Bloom transfer. So I laid it out on a silicone mat and then blew it out with my lungs and then scooped it up with a palette knife, and then I transferred it on to the heart. Bordeaux red. What is a Valentine without a little red in it? While I have a quiet moment here, I'm going to throw in that the last two videos, 462 and 463, are actually eligible to enter a 25,000 subscriber giveaway where I'm giving away a set of coasters and a jar. So if you want to take a look at those, go back and watch those videos and share with me the code words that's part of the giveaway. I got plenty of color. And again, that purple is having a weird reaction. It's fractiling. I don't know what that is. I don't know why. I just got diaxosine purple and amethyst. I don't know. All right, cell activator. This is my American Floetrol cell activator. I have video 141. I'll link it above. This is made with my American Floetrol and a couple other ingredients. It's Persian rose. This is what it looks like. Okay, so here's the Persian rose. I might need the hair dryer, but we'll see. Errant drip. Hopefully it doesn't affect anything. Black. Oxide black. So what I'm doing is blowing straight down into the center of the cell activator to get it to blow out in as much of a perfect circle as possible. And then I aim my blow right where the edge of the cell activator meets up with the paints and blow it out to get the composition to spread out across the entire heart. If you want to learn more details about how to blow with your lungs, I have video 419 I'm linking above, and it talks about the speed of your blow, the angle of your blow, and a lot of different details that cover how to get your composition to blow out really nicely. Ooh. Uh-huh. All right. Don't like that. Let's get a little more of the pillow down. So in the interest of time, I'm just going to fast forward through this part. Normally I take the pillow all the way to the edge, but I'm just going to do it like this right now. Just get it extended. This is right at the edge, so I want to make sure to cover that right there, because it's already going to start rolling over on itself. These weird shapes. Yes, the heart is a weird shape, especially since this is not what our heart looks like. I wonder who came up with this. I bet it's art by Donna. I bet it's art by Donna knows. She knows all those little things. She knows all that trivia. She's probably wicked at Trivial Pursuit. I need to just let it go. Let it go. Clean up the extra paint. So here all I'm doing is scooping up the extra paint that I will use for pillow in some other creation. A little extra up there. A little extra just to get it to the edge. There we go. Now we'll get there. Give it a little fling. This paint is really flying off. I don't know why. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what that is. What is that? How is that so dark? Wrong side's going off. Wrong side. So what I'm trying to do here is get the white or the lighter part of the heart off as much as possible. Now, you all know I don't normally spin at this rate, but what I'm trying to do is get that white pillow to fall off the edge as much as possible to leave me color. And while I have a quiet moment here, I just want to direct you to the description box In it, I have a lot of links to different products I use and other information, so give that a check out too. So here all I'm doing is cleaning up the bottom with the toothpick to get the extra paint off the bottom so it stops pulling from the top. I'll cut some of this out too. I'm going to make an observation here for you guys, and this is much more blended than my normal creations, and you saw yourself how fast I spun this out, so make a determination what that might mean. It's more blendy. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial on how I blew out this regular bloom on this heart-shaped MDF board. That's the wet results, and here are the resined finished results. And speaking of resin results, if you look in my description, you'll find a 10% discount code for KS resin, which is what I use. I use the liquid stone, UV resistant. You get 10% off if you go to the link and use my code, and they give me 5% credit toward future purchases of resin. So it's a win-win for everybody, and that's an easy way to support my channel and future creations. Another easy way is to subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and all. Leave a comment and a thumbs up. That helps me out as well. At the end, I'm going to have a link to a Valentine's playlist so you can see other creations for the Valentine's theme. And with all that said, once again, thank you and take care. Till next time.